Wolverine's claws might actually function like a penis. Now that I've got your attention, go ahead and make sure that you watch parts 1 and part 2 where we talk about Wolverine's claws and how they have to be stored in the forearm, and in order for them to be functional, they need to move all the way up into the metacarpal region out of the knuckles. Now we're going to talk about how they actually move, and I realize that this has been addressed in some of the comics, but we'll talk about those in a little bit. So sit back, take a sip of your favorite calming juice, and make sure that you don't shoot your claws out of your palms like Wolverine did when he was drunk. Now, in the mammal world, there are two skeletal elements that can basically move independently of any other skeletal element. One is your hyoid bone. It moves up, it moves down during deglutition or swallowing. The second example is a bone known as the baculum. The baculum is essentially the penis bone. Humans don't have penis bones, but other mammals do, and it can move independently of some other bones. Now let's go take a look at how the penis bone works and how that might apply to Wolverine's claws. Behind me is a penis with a penis bone in it. This is the baculum here, and this back here is the corpus cavernosum. This is where all the blood fills to make the erection. Now, if we apply a little bit of physics and we laterally compress this structure here and fill this corpus cavernosum with blood, the corpus cavernosum can't expand laterally. It can only expand this way. And if it expands this way, it'll take this baculum and it'll push it forward. That's not much different than how muscles work in some invertebrates, like earthworms. Now, if we apply that, we can fill this area back here with blood vessels, and we can fill them with blood, laterally compress it, and it can shoot the claws forward. The odds aren't very great, and it would be a very slow process. And could you imagine Deadpool just waiting on Wolverine to get a claw erection? But they're not zero, so I thought I'd include it. Make sure you stay tuned to part 4, and we'll talk about how it might relate to a salamander tongue. Later.